그대로 내고 싶지 자꾸만 섹시한 듯하나까지 전부 다 맛보이 나는 걸 like 타는 걸 그렇다고 절대 당첨할 수가 없는 걸 가슴 뛰게 해 이건 네가 몰라야만 돼 Heaven's 뻔뻔하게
If you're looking for a vehicle that will stand out, then look no further than the all-new 2019 Hyundai Veloster. The second-generation Veloster still retains the asymmetrical design, wherein there's one door on the driver's side and two on the passenger's. The idea here is that it's safer to ingress and egress from the passenger's side, and by having a door, it's much easier to hop in the back seat. Up front is an aggressive fascia with LED headlights, matched with a bold and upright grille that sort of reminds me of Darth Vader. The side profile features a clean design with smooth and sharp creases, topped with a black contrast sloping roofline. The aggressive and sporty theme continues into the rear, with an angular design, a small greenhouse, and sharp LED tail lamps. By the way, the exterior is available with 12 color combinations. Inside the Veloster, the dashboard sees a simple yet functional design. The well-laid-out HVAC controls are angled towards the driver, while an 8-inch touchscreen sits above the dash. It may look like a stuck-on iPad, but it does look modern, and it's within the driver's sightline. This being a sports car means that there's a flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters, bright and clear gauges paired with an easy-to-read heads-up display, and bucket seats that have an adequate amount of bolster to keep the driver in place. There are also red accents throughout the cabin and red seat belts because race car. There's plenty of room up front, but the rear cabin is a different story. I'm 5'5", leg and foot room is snug, while headroom is limited due to the sloping roofline. The small windows bring little light inside, and it does hinder visibility on the C-pillars. If you consider this as a sports car, then there's actually a lot of space. The Veloster has a 1.6-liter turbocharged gasoline engine making 201 horsepower and 265 Nm of torque. Power is delivered in the front wheels by a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Safety-wise, the Veloster comes with a camera-based pre-collision system, adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, 6 airbags, and a smart keyless entry with push-button start. Overall, the Hyundai Veloster still retains its character, now in a more attractive design, a high-quality interior, and more standard features to back up its price tag of 1,798,000 pesos. Expect Veloster sales to start this third quarter of 2018.